Amansane, yena yedimu. Sini papa be na upe biashe. Amansane, winnano baby ya. Kumawood TV. Amansane, yena yedimu. Kumawood TV. Amansane, yena yedimu.
Yeah, mommy. Oh yeah, mommy. Oh yeah, mommy. Oh yeah, mommy. But your family George Wahin, cause we are Kumawood TV. Now life ain't yet the same. That God bless you too much.
Kumawood TV. Amansane, yena yedimu. Kumawood TV. Amansane, yena yedimu.
So far so good. But who say Kumawood TV? Hey TV Osha one kasa wani beje. Amo say TV pa na ohwe no. Mujuma di nso so far so good. Yada masepa Kumawood.
Kumawood TV. Amansane, yena yedimu. Kumawood TV. Amansane, yena yedimu.
Radisha Kumawood etiefo nyina me wona ohwe. The fact that the donko. Ukwenda nyumre bia free no me sakosi no nine. The program bio you be so ya to the mysteries of the gospel. We are Kenya saying we are a bonfire bar. The tosu bi nso no. You be share all night ase. Free duminu ekosi no me nsa. And also omu wie sa awade ho edumade ni wie ya duminu pepepe. Na share all night na. Your friend fire all night. Na ye hwe obi enu kwan say obi enyi no mfi say medini ni enu nyina mu na awurade afa so a o de wo chie ene nsentreni bibre every nipa na afenso.
Kumawood TV. Amansane, yena yedimu.
Yeda wasia ensado yeyiwaya ntumi sado. Yeda wasia ensado yeyiwaya
yama kwa ba de ba Kumawood TV we top 10 Mondays bia no ye de brew live ne enso eye da nyankopon e de acheyen ene ye 1st June 2020 nyame ama afe no ya chemu mienu pepepe minim se nyankopon na dom ene na hoden na ode ama yen ama yenso yetimi etwa afe na ya chemu mede ni Samuel Kobna da kom na na mede dwumade en wo chiame na de bia se na ye no eye top 10 na ya start countdown from number 10 up to 1 and as a 2 now 2 and 1 no ya je mama na wa frɛ na wo nso wa kyerɛ nipa ene atisa obeye number 1 for the week ye drop no say ya na afei the whole Ghana obi anso afa na ode a continue the brew Mondays na watch no ahyase pepepe na ye the top 10 no e the abrow na meka wo say number na e da screen so no from now I ko nyina no wo text message share obi wo pese wo she will be happy birthday and also pese wo kan sem bi e de kire obi e text message e pa cho fa na fei fa wo message fa so na yenso yenkenkan emfa mampacho yeta mnusa antifa brantem na mentimi kenkan emfa ema number no 0543 596070 0543 596070 medical kase medin ade Samuel Kwabena Dako aka Samdackus yenko na fe yenko number 10 for this week number 10 for this week ay abrantia ye frama akobwa asi post to me yenko hemra
Kumawood TV. Amansane, yena yedimu.
Yeda wasia ensado yeyiwaya ntumi sado. Yeda wasia ensado yeyiwaya ensada mosomfo mwadi nyina Emily Janie Kumawu TV so ena me wey Kumawu TV ye na ye die ni
Kumawu TV amansane ye na ye die mu Kumawu TV amansane ye na ye die mu
Wa bon Samuel Abrentino ne srawa bompayo ya de to atese wo wiashintino ne srawa bompayo ne awona munyina atefo mamunya evangelist kwasinyako TV amehwe pa Kumawu TV kachiro obi no obi so kanche obi say ohwe no obe ye nhira efiri bibi sikwa
Kumawu TV amansane ye na ye die mu Kumawu TV amansane ye na ye die mu
Odiaba mi ye die no odiabo odiabo mi sikasam no so odiaba apamada kaya tamfuya yo efie bebrebe chikrai odiabo yesunti odiabreme ahwefo eyemunu ba mebelochi ni Kumawu TV ni kwsoawe Kumawu TV na eyeyeye die ni
Kumawu TV amansane ye na
number 9 for the week. We say message I wish my friend Vivian Sowa happy birthday in advance, dear. Okay, or no so Nidia or the Abano no. Young call for so I will say hi. Hey, I'm washing. Okay, I'm washing. My mom, I'm wishing my mom happy birthday. May God give her a long life. But what the bar for wedding any baby or the Africa na metime kan dia ma oyepa. Or say greetings to Benjamin inside Kwa Atibi Wendy Shea. Hold your waist. Okay, I think say or see when the Shea and Enfamano. Now now for number 9 for the week when the Shea. But this time around there or say Akokra Gangster Yanko Hemra.
Kumawu TV amansane ye na ye die mu
Yeda wasia ensado Ye waya ntumi sado Yeda wasia ensado Ye waya ensada Mosomfo mwadi nyina Emily Janie Kumawu TV so ena me wey Kumawu TV ye na ye die ni
Kumawu TV amansane ye na ye die mu Kumawu TV amansane ye na ye die mu
Wa bon Samuel Abrentino ne srawa bompayo ya de to atese wo wiashintino ne srawa bompayo ne awona munyina atefo mamunya evangelist kwasinyako TV amehwe pa Kumawu TV kachiro obi no obi so kanche obi say ohwe no be ye nhira efiri bibi sikwa
Kumawu TV amansane ye na ye die mu Kumawu TV amansane ye na ye die mu
Odiaba mi ye die no odiabo odiabo mi sikasam no so odiaba apamada kaya tamfuya yo efie bebrebe chikrai odiabo yesunti odiabreme ahwefo eyemunu ba mebelochi ni Kumawu TV ni kwsoawe Kumawu TV na eyeyeye ye die ni
Kumawu TV amansane ye na ye die mu Kumawu TV amansane ye na ye die mu
Ami yebi mawadanase Onye danase senyami yebi mawadanase Eya sedanko a keep watching Kumawu TV Victor Oye ehona mensomeshe na minshirawo
Kumawu
Okay, yes, I'm so about top 10 a live or Kumawu TV Ahmojo Atenga Junction way. You're the brewer, your producers no a quabontine na omatiti nyuma a cosopa na say and you my bono amount for TV so the bono amount so any social media na fe ya kanin album na so ya betina na ya they top 10. You started from 10 up to number 2 and 1. Now 2 and 1 a big phone line atum now one so what the wadwen kire e de aba we odofo bi say yamfama or say happy birthday to Mr. Frank Owusu of Focus Media aka Karin okay my name say oh aka Mr. Frank and your birthday Frank of Focus now every time what to assume okay odofo bi na say yamfa emma and e menso me we show happy birthday Frank of Focus Media we or say hello I'm Sandra from Santase. I wish myself happy birthday in advance. Okay, tomorrow is your birthday. All right, Sandra Yankopon Asia pa na fe on to won kwanem na bibia nso entimi enkoye emfama we say good afternoon. This is Van Law, okay, Larry from Hacho, Accra. Would like to wish my brothers for their good efforts in the exams. Okay, on Sunday there or the Abbasine Econo. We say so. I say hi. I'm wishing my mom. Okay, I think it's my ready way Joyce and I would buy Joyce. Okay. You better say pass on so do we about. We say hi, happy birthday to my brother Joseph Ano. Okay, I know so need the I don't know. We say so every okay, the other Frank a Focus at the buy and AC China and a day Frank birthday wishing at the Bayanko Nafi. Sleep.
Kumawu TV amansane yena yediemu
Yeda wasia ensado Yeyiwaya intumi sado Yeda wasia ensado Yeyiwaya ensada Mosomfo mwadi nyina Emily Janie Kumawu TV so ena miwe Kumawu TV yena yediemu
Kumawu TV amansane yena yediemu Kumawu TV amansane yena yediemu
Wabonsam wani abrentino nesrawa bompayo yade to atese wo wiasintino nesrawa bompayo ne awona munyina atefo mamunya evangelist kwasinyako TV amehwe pa Kumawu TV kachiro obi no obi so kanche obi say ohwe no be ye nhira efiri bibi nsikwa
Kumawu TV amansane yena yediemu Kumawu TV amansane yena yediemu
Odiaba mi yedieno odiabo odiabo mi sikasam no so odiaba apamada kaya tamfuya yo efie bebrebe tikrai odiabo yesunti odiabreme ahwefo eyemunu ba mebelochi ni Kumawu TV ni kosware Kumawu TV na eyeyaya yedie ni
Kumawu TV amansane yena yediemu Kumawu TV amansane yena yediemu
Ami yebi mawadanase onye danase senyami yebi mawadanase eya sedanko a keep watching Kumawu TV Victor Oye ehona mensomehwe nyame nhyirawo
Kumawu TV amansane yena yediemu Kumawood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedi.
Okay, yes, as I'm a be away live. Kumawood top 10. Mede ade Samuel Kwabna Dako. Samdackus. Mena mede dwumade ye ho chia me. Mede be live. Ewo Kumasi Atenga Junction. And ade dwumade ade ebro. We top 10. Na yenko messages no enso ba na ebampa chola na memfre so na mom send you text message bra na yenkin kai enfama we or say hi Nanaba Yadom from Atonso. Please play me Sleepless Night. I think say ya bono sesia ama onso woni age we say enso say my name is YB, watching you live from Libya. Greetings to all my family and friends in the Brekum, Jene and Libya here. Anyway, also the Abesne Ekorono. We say hello, happy birthday to my sister Tina from La Paz by Ohene Esian. Okay, also there. Or the Abesne Ekorono. We say hello, my name is Mamiya from Sisanso. I really love your program. Anyway, I wish my lovely husband happy birthday. May God richly bless him. But then one fat nidin amfa husband we saying so. I say hi. I wanna say a shout out to my guy. Love you. Okay, I love you. At see, okay. Anyway, I think I got it right. Shout out to at Kiss at Lena from see. All right. We say and so I say Kumawood TV. God bless you for your good work. Please play me Amachi Dede Akwada Wiswa. Anyway, Bernard Perry, aka Power. Ben. Or the Abesine Echo. No. We say happy birthday to my sister Comfort. Comfort. Or the Abesine Echo. No. Yanko, Nafe Yanko 7. Number 7. For the week, and no, a banners and more Mubusan Ninano, Modi a chamo Nasi Kevin Boy, featuring Daco Vibes, and Maurice, Amonuma, Amatun Momo, Yanko.
Kumawood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu.
Wabon someone ya Brentino, the Thrower Bompire, Yadia to a Tesoro, Yashintino. Besrawa bompo ni awona munyina atefo mamunya evangelist kwasinyako TV amehwe pa Kumawood TV katiro bi no bisun kanche be say ohwe no be yenhira efiri bibi nsikwa
Kumawood TV Amansane Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV Amansane Yena Yedimu.
Odiaba mi yedieno odiabo odiabo mi sikasam no so odiaba apamada kaya tamfuya yo efie bebrebe chikra odiabo yesunti odiabreme ahwefo eyemunu ba mebelochi ni Kumawood TV ni kwsoare Kumawood TV na yedie ni
Kumawood TV Amansane Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV Amansane Yena Yedimu.
Ami yebi mawadanase one danase senyami yebi mawadanase eya sedanko a keep watching Kumawood TV. Victor Oye ehona mensomehwe nyame nhyirawo.
Kumawood TV Amansane Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV Amansane Yena Yedimu. TV amansane yena yedimu
asida yedimu nyame yedimu nyame yedimu nyame asida yedimu nyame yedimu nyame yedimu nyame eyo musom fofan mensa junior ni me pese okoso na wo hwekuma wo TV eye ya yedimu yenkoso ahwe nyame enhirao
Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe bi ashe amansane winna no baby ya Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu
Uye mami Uye mami Uye mami Uye mami Atwa family Jojo ahen koso ahwe Kumawood TV. Now life ain't the same. That God bless you too much.
Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu
So far so good. Na who say Kumawood TV TV a o hwa wa ankasa wani beje amo who say TV pa na wo hwe no mujima di nso so far so good. Yadamase pa Kumawood
TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu
Yami wonina enye Yesu no di amame Yami wonina yana do marako setechema da bodiem emoja widimu afusane Metwa yejo ama no da Kumawood yakasa biom se wa hwe Kumawood anu aho upeti papa ye Kenya miasem ye entertainment football adie bia na koso wiase bia se we Kumawood a miniti bia obayi na fo Kumawood yakasa yedim ya mi sha se we
Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu
Yada wasia ensado Yeyiwaya ntumi sado
Okay, it's a Kumawood top 10 live ewo Kumasi Ahojo Atenga Junction midi edi Samuel Kobna Dako I think say machine dey adwumante to da na HS kakra abam che number ena kohwe no Kevin Boy this a momo ena ode ebreye eno ene number 7 na yebekọ number 6 but enhwe we say this your boy election from Asin Akofodi. Anyway, greetings to the Obajua and Obajua and Abuajua. On also the audio best conversation. So I say happy belated to my teacher, Sir Filippo, inside Manchester in the central. I'm watching you live in Mankasim. Okay. And also, the audio best. Where says to say hi? I'm Nanaba Yadom from. I think say my kind way. All right. Yeah. Where so I'll say your friend of wish my and friends in happy. Okay. And also, what the abesine econo. Where says to say I'm Ella from Mampong. I wish my mom happy birthday and my sister Matilda. Anyway, ono so ne dia ode abesne kono no we say so I say I wish my friend things that my kind we say okay but what the message in banner in short time I'm saying to me I can hear at the amount. Hi, happy birthday to my friend Rashida inside Banda. Okay, and so the other person corner. We also say hi. My name is Evalov. Okay, from Doma. Greetings to my prince inside Accra. I wish you all the best. Okay, and also the other person corner say hi, Mr. Darko. My name is Filippo inside Techiman. Please, I want you to play me Kevin Boy Yawa to my lovely friend Pastor. Okay, vibes anyway. And also the best economy. We also say hi. I say my name is Tony Wonya Daniel, aka Livingstone. Kumawood TV. You are the best. I greet my brother God's way in Amologa. This is Daniel in Oti region. Okay, Danny, and so there, or the Abesne Econo, I just said, Yemka Yamunafe Yemko, Niemko number 6 for this week. My Dika say, Yakoko, Miamia, share amount for TV, Sony radio, so now Fiaka can boom social media. You might featuring Creamy. And
Kumawood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu.
Wabon someone ya brintino. The Srawa Bompire. Yadia to Atesewo Yashintino. The Srawa Bompire. Near Wuna Munina. Therefore, Mamunia Evangelist Kwasinyako. TV Amelia Kumawood TV, catch it, no Bishop Country, be said, oh, no Bayan Shida, if it is flow, be busy.
Kumawood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu.
Oh, diaba, me diano, oh, diabo, eh. Oh, diabo, misika samno so, oh, diaba. Apamada kaya tamfuya yo efie bebrebe chikrai odiabo yesunti odiabreme ahwefo eyemunia ba mebelochi ni Kumawood TV ni kosoare Kumawood TV na eyeyeye die ni
Kumawood TV Amansane Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV Amansane Yena Yedimu.
Nyami yebi mawa danase oni danase se nyami yebi mawa danase eya se danko a keep watching Kumawood TV Victor Oye eho na menso mehwe nyami hirawo
Kumawood TV Amansane Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV Amansane Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV Amansane Yena Yedimu.
Asida yedimu nyami yedimu nyami yedimu nyami asida yedimu nyami yedimu nyami yedimu nyami eyo musom for fan message.
You touch my baby then
Masse. We didn't hear this. ahojo no de we say so e de e ba ye san sakode say dwe yanko yemra
Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu
wabon samwani abrentino ne srawa bompayo yade to atesewo wiasintino ne srawa bompayo ne awona munyina awade atefo mamunya evangelist kwasinyako TV amehwe pa Kumawood TV catch obi no be so kan obi say o hwe no be ye nhira efiri bibi nsikwa
Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu
Odiaba mi yedino odiabo odiabo mi sikasam no so odiaba apamada kaya tamfuyayo efie bebrebe tikrai odiabo yesunti odiabreme ahwefo eyemunia ba mebelochi nie Kumawood TV nie kosoare Kumawood TV na eyeyeye die nie
Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu
Ami yebi mawadanase onye danase senyami yebi mawadanase eya sedan ko a keep watching Kumawood TV Victor O ehona mensomehwe nyame nhyirawo
Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu
asida yedimu nyame asida yedimu nyame eyo musomfo fan mensa junior ni me pese okosoa na wo hwe Kumawood TV eye ya yedimu yankosoa hwe nyame enhirao
Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu
Yasa so makwaba build aba top 10 Kumawood TV so medini Samuel kwabena da kon aka Samdackus SOS hide in northeast region. I wish my senior in Damascus. Okay, good luck in their final exams. All right, and also the audio banana. We say hi. My name is Scholarship. Okay, Scholastica. Anyway, say my name is fine. Scholastica. I wish my lovely sister Tina happy birthday. Please play me familiar and Kwesi Arthur long life. Okay. Also the audio banana. We say hi. Teddy inside Pankrono. Nice program. I'm enjoying the show. Special greetings to my baby Franca inside Tabuum. Anyway, Tabuum. Also the other Abba, I don't know. Wait, so I say hello, please. Good. Okay. Good evening. Please, I'm watching you live. In fact, you are really doing good job. You are the best TV station among the rest. I'm Gideon, popularly known as Red Bones, all the way Techiman. Thank you. And also the audio. Abesne ekono yemre no ekopa enti yenko number 4 for this week. Sakode featuring King Promise and Yankoyamra.
Kumewood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu.
Oh, diaba, me dear no, oh, diabo, eh. Oh, diabo, Missika Samno so, oh, diaba, ah. Apamada kaya tamfuyayo, efie bebre beti cry, oh, diabo, yesunti, oh, diabreme, ashafo, eyemunia ba me belochi ni, Kumawood TV ni, Kosware Kumawood TV, na ye die
Kumewood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumewood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu.
Ami yebi mawa danase. Onye danase se nyami yebi mawa danase. Eya se danko a keep watching Kumawood TV. Victor Oye e hona menso meshe na menshirawo.
Kumewood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumewood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumewood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu.
Asida yedimu nyami. Yedimu nyami. Yedimu nyami. Asida
Maybe a homana tumna onso wafre. Na wachire the way number 1 and I said the watching about be number 2 for the week and then t-shirt so my and maybe I'm not to now so afraid we say or say hi, this is your boy upon Richard aka Owen. Happy birthday to myself. I'm from Etimetim Taboom. Okay, on also there or the best neck. And I will say so. I say hello, good evening. You are doing good job. Keep on. Play Me Weather by Sister Fia. Okay, and also Eddie or the Abesne Econono. Young quickly enough. Young number 3 for this week. Number 3 for this week. Session by King Promise.
Kumewood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu.
Oh, diaba, me dear no, oh, diabo, eh. Oh, diabo, Missika Samno so, oh, diaba, ah. Apamada kaya tamfuyayo, efie bebre beti cry, oh, diabo, yesunti, oh, diabreme, ashafo, eyemunia ba me belochi ni, Kumawood TV ni, Kosware Kumawood TV, na ye die ni.
Kumewood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumewood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu.
Ami yebi mawa danase. Onye danase se nyami yebi mawa danase. Eya se danko a keep watching Kumawood TV. Victor Oye e hona menso meshe na menshirawo.
Kumewood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumewood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumewood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu.
Asida yedimu nyami. Yedimu nyami. Yedimu nyami. Asida yedimu nyami. Yedimu nyami. Yedimu nyami. Eyo musom for fang mensa junior ni.
All right, that sounds like a view. We say I'm Manso and crying. Wish my brother good luck in his exams. Okay, on Sunday, or the Abyssinian economy. And I will say, I'm Bright from Achim and Yinem. I like your program. Please greet my lovely mommy at Aquatia name. Okay, Madam Benis. Madam Benis, I think say Obano so say in country say Ochia ye pa. We also say hi. I am Nathaniel from Pancron. Please play me Nobody by Joe Boy to my dear sister Jennifer in Accra. All right, on the dear or dear best pamcho. Yeah, move frame here. Mintime and can kind messages now. Until Munjai friend, I'm so mintime and can kind messages in the way. I say I'm really enjoying your show. I'm come from a Jiso. I wish I want you to play me Sobolo by Stone Boy. Anyway, and they may bought Stone Boy and yum at the amount. Stone Boy and a branch of friend kiddie. Omumi no nyom and this week ye this ho na fe wa o hwem wa frame na wons watch why and I say a number 1 and as number 2 for this week. Stone Boy nenuma what to say nominate and a kiddie on so enuma what to say cheese. Yanko hwene mi no nyina bra. E be bia ho wana tum.
Kumawood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu.
Yeda wasia and sado. Yewaya to me sado. Yeda wasia and sado. Yewaya and sada. Mosomfo Madi Nina Emily Jani. Kumawood TV so enemy way. Kumawood TV, Yena Yedimu.
Kumawood TV. Amansane Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV Amansane Yena Yedimu.
Wabon Samuel ya Brentino Nesra Wabomparo Ya dia tu atesewo wiasintino Nesra Wabomparo Ni awona munyina Awade Atefo mamu ya evangelist kwasinyako TV amepa Kumawood TV kanti obi no be so kanti obi say o hwe no be ye nhira efiri bibisi kwa
Kumawood TV Amansane Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV Amansane Yena Yedimu.
Odiaba mi edino odiabo odiabo mi sikasam no so odiaba apamada kaya tamfuya yo efie bebrebe chikrai odiabo yesunti odiabreme ahwefo eyemunia ba mebelochi ni Kumawood TV ni kosoare Kumawood TV na yedie ni
Kumawood TV Amansane Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV Amansane Yena Yedimu.
Ami yebi mawadanase onye danase senyami yebi mawadanase eya sedan ko a keep watching Kumawood TV Victor Oye ehona mensomehwe na menhyirawo.
Kumawood TV Amansane Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV Amansane Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV Amansane Yena Yedimu.
Asida yedimu nyami yedimu nyami yedimu nyami asida yedimu nyami yedimu nyami yedimu nyami eyo musomfo fan mensa junior ni me pese okoswa na wo Kumawood TV eye ya yedimu yenkoswa hwe nyami enhirawo.
Kumawood TV Amansane Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV aba Amansane Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV aba Amansane Yena Yedimu. Sini papa be na upe bi ahwe.
Okay, asanso makwa ba bi ya Kumawood top 10 ye ko amount for them, amount for fifi, any amount for hotels, any baby radio so TV so and a social media. Yeah, share a new trend pa na fe ye de aba. Ya kwa Stone Boy, one kiddie nominate and say cheese. Why and a number 1 for this week? Why and a number 1 for this week? Maybe I want to bit my friends is here. Not for you to drink, but offer my offer the no from. Hello. 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 Yeah, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Hello. Premier, Bomodian Obama volume no akofom na metime ene wa pachopa o Premier Bomodian say Obama volume no akofom na ya twetwe enkomo 0200 603 602 0200 603 602. Hello. Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Afternoon, boss.
Udini baby of frame free.
But me in the problem kase free tamale.
Kwabna tamale pacho ya fama stone boy na say kidi.
But me in the problem kase free tamale.
Kwabna kasa.
But stone boy nominate na ede pa.
Stone boy nominate. Okay, ya bada sepa ya fa afre for the hello.
Hello, Abraham Dan kase.
Okay. Pacho ma wa feed no from na kasa why? Okay, why now call the man? Enkoma kidi. All right, yeah, that's a pa. Okay, once you bet him do the hello.
Hello.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Udini baby of frame free.
But your family building and the professor
Atonsu. Okay. Why now call the man Kiddy and Stone Boy? Stone Boy. Nominate. Okay. Yeah, for hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Yeah.
Udini baby of frame free.
Nyamia.
Ayawa nakasa. Hello. Okay. Ofra aya mentie wo TV no so. Omode ase obetie ode phone batara waso na watie phone rather than the TV. Hello. Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Udini baby of frame free.
But your friend is
Udin.
But your friend, yes.
Okay, one now call the man.
But your kid.
Call the man Kiddy.
But
okay. Say cheese. Okay. Yeah, for audio. Hello. 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 Okay, wait, what's it, please? I'm Kwabena Tachi from Ekeso. Hello. Oh, me pamachopa ofra. Bomodia na ma TV volume no. Mane nko for bukra. Opekura dum TV no. Wo kasa we abasa. Ewo TV ni so. Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Udini baby of frame free.
Make a sashi kumasi show yafe.
Okay. Udini say?
From Nathaniel.
Nathaniel, okay. Who called the man?
Me come a Stone Boy.
Stone Boy. No,
yeah, one time.
All right. That's okay. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Udini baby of frame free.
That's your phone.
Okay. Why now call the man?
Because your Enkoma Stone Boy.
Enkoma
Stone Boy.
Stone Boy. Okay. Yeah, but that's say also a friend. Now watch the word. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Udin, any baby of free me free.
Oh, me did it.
Who can say free?
So much. Me did it. Just
Why now come on?
Bim one.
Bim.
Bim one. Bim one. Bim one. Bim one. Bim one.
All right, Stone Boy. Okay. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Who can say free now? Udin the same.
I see what you see. Yeah, I see what you see. Me the
Wizzy.
Wizzy.
Why now call the man?
Stone boy.
Stone Boy. All right.
Yeah, that's my man.
Yeah. Okay, that's your man. All right. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Udin baby of free me free, madam.
Papa, chama
Who can say free?
Sorry for Sukom.
Okay. Udin the same.
The family Nanantua.
On your mind, you are why now call the man?
The Pastor Stone Boy.
Stone Boy. Okay. Nominates. Okay. Yeah, call off for. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon. Pacho,
Hello?
you are me free.
The couple of what?
Udin.
Within
Okay, Kiddy, and a Stone Boy, one call the man.
the come
Okoma Stone Boy. Okay. Better was a passer also of Frey. Hello?
Yes. Your friend Oliver.
Your friend Oliver. Okay, Safri.
Yes. What my Stone Boy.
Oliver Casafri. Die came so. All right. Okay, I'm far before. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
But you didn't be our friend free.
You did the hour I can say.
Okay, one I call the man.
You call him a Stone Boy.
Stone Boy. Nominate. All right. Hello. Hello. But you offer me a normal TV volume knock off from the TV Casa. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Would anybody be our friend free?
Afternoon.
I'm say Otiene home. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Would anybody be our friend free?
Within the Sandra, but the free man for.
Okay, to call the man wine Stone Boy and our kiddie.
Sugar daddy.
Say cheers and I say cheese. Okay, hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Would anybody be our friend free?
Within Eddie.
Udin.
Within Eddie.
Okay, okay, Zafrin.
Like I said, my auntie raising.
Okay, to one I'll call the man.
Uncle Mike.
Kiddy. Kiddy, say cheese. Okay. Never far for bear me and 7 of Hello?
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
But you didn't be our friend free.
But my favorite breakum, a friend Christian.
Christian, why now call the man?
Me call my Kiddy.
Kiddy, all right, okay.
Say cheese.
Yeah, that's a pa. Hello?
Hello.
Good afternoon. Would you be our friend free?
We don't Ritual. Yeah.
Okay, Ritual, one hour, call the man. One hour, call the man.
Stone Boy.
Stone Boy, okay, Richmond, yeah, that's a pa. and it won't so urgent. Okay, hello.
Hello.
Yeah, good afternoon. Udin be our friend free.
Mkasafi Kumase.
Udin.
Midindi
Yeah, okay, one accord the man.
Kiddy, say cheese,
okay, Kiddy. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon. Udin be our friend free.
Oh, okay, Mkasafi Saturday.
Udin.
Our friend Grace.
Grace, why now call Edemano?
Kiddy.
All right. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon. Udin be our friend free.
Hello.
Ma TV volume non conform. Ebasa untemenka. Yemfa offer for you. Hello.
Okay. Hello.
Hello, Udin. Okay, why now Okodemano?
It is a stone boy.
Stone boy, okay. Yemfa afre phone and see her. Na fe producers they were number 1 and I said the baba number 2 na fe ya de dwuma de no abana we ya de bro live from and the bro live or Kumasi ahojo atinga junction eho ena ya de bro live me de the Samuel Kwabena Dako aka Samdackus. Okay, producers no de aba na yehwa okay ya started free number 10 akwabua number 9 Wendy Shea and afenso number 8 ebeye Shatawale number 7 Kevin Boy and number 6 ebeye Kiddy number 4 anajo Sakode and number 5 also ebabeye number 3 so ebabeye King Promise number 2 Brantia ne ho fefefa ye frɛ no Kiddy ono na number 2 and Stone Boy nominate ye number 1 for this week and until ye da monyina masemo amohwɛ mo frɛ and mo contribute ye nyina no ye da mase ye kɔ studio na sɛ MC ye wo Loretta wo ho and VT so ye wo Augustina and so e wo Kobe Frank na tinchim cameras na de mayem AJ Hipsy ono so na produce de mayem Ben e produce PRO and afenso Ochinozo ono so ye production manager me bio Samuel Kwabena Dako aka Samdackus nyame yaduma dasene ye besan so ene moshia Frank Focus Media and your birthday nyame shira pa
Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu
Yeda wasia ensado Yeyiwaya intumi sado Yeda wasia ensado Yeyiwaya ensada Mosomfo madie nyina Emily Janie Kumawood TV so ena miwe Kumawood TV yena yedimu
Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu
Wabon Samuel ni abrentino nesrawa bompayo ya de to atese wo wiashintino nesrawa bompayo ni awona munyina awade atefo mamunya evangelist kwasinyako TV anu hwe pa Kumawood TV catch obi no bi so kan che obi say